building realistic financial model has always been a tedious and time-consuming process because you're doing several things all together. I'm super excited to share a new way of doing this by using APRS. Today, we're going to build a simple model for a multifamily project. So let's take a look at the offering memorandum. It contains the key information of the project. Click the quick start and drag and drop this file to APRS. So to do the modeling right, we can always start with a planning phase. All right. So the first question we are asking APRS to help us plan the entire model before we build anything. So you can see APRS is actually retrieving necessary information from this offering memorandum. And you understand what we have, including who are the tenants, what kind of components we need to have. Now, let's build. Great. Let's start building this model in spreadsheet, phase by phase, with formula. All right, let's just make sure it's building something dynamic. All right, we're getting all the necessary assumptions here. And as you can see, APRS is using all kinds of tools to read PDF again, to get the necessary information out of the OM autonomously. And now APRS is building the rent row tab using the information from the OM. Now we have the rent row, and even the rent row is dynamic. And then the OPEX. Great. Here are the key information from the memo about the operating expense. All right, now we have the annual cash flow, and it's all dynamic. And as we can see, we can keep asking APRS to move forward, right? It's like a modular building. We're building block by block. Let's keep building and show us the return with a separate tab. APRS understands what we want and is actually revisiting the model. Make sure we understand everything. See, APRS has found an error itself and is correcting that. And again, it's dynamic. Our APRS is recommending us to build another renovation tab. So let's just say, let's build the renovation tab. And we can see the activity of APRS, the thinking process. It decided to read rent row again and refining the tab construction based on all the information we have currently in the performance model. Now we have a new tab of renovation. And this is a mixed-use project, so it contains both residential and commercial. APRS has successfully identified that, and everything here is, again, dynamic. And again, APRS is linking the data from cash flow tab to the renovation data right here, based on the existing model. And sometimes we are surprised by how autonomous APRS has become. It's not only building what's needed, it's actively correcting its own mistakes when there is one. All right, now we have the entire model, and APRS even provided an insight for the returns, which is pretty low. But beyond that, let's just take a look at this model. There are several things we can do. One is to make it more professional in terms of the design. So we can just say we want to have a Blackstone style color formatting for this model. APRS should be able to understand what we mean. All right, now it looks like something we made from Wall Street instead of no formatting at all. Let's take a look at the cash flow. Still working on other tabs. All right, so APRS is applying final formatting touches to all sheets. OPEX, returns. All right. Great. So this is a super short run of APRS on how you can build your performance model with just the offering memorandum, and a fully dynamic model can be created within 10 minutes.